see the TV?
Yeah.
Sounds like kills bees. Kill bees. Both y'all are pretty bad.
He says, quit breathing.
Y'all
You're
die.
tickling my ear. Oh. We can hear Jib's purring.
I'm just ripping on you for your
I
shitty
hear
skills. What's the difference?
I bet you can, since his face is in your ear.
Yeah.
This is quit moving. Oh.
No, I can't move.
Babe, do you see Siri? This is literally hilarious. He says, hey, pal, watch
no.
it.
I want to be here.
And he goes back. Jimmy, quit moving.